everyone doing today? Today we're at Boat Lagoon at Sundowners event. So tomorrow is Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day everyone. Let's go inside. There's a Poseidon. Comfortable sofa. Cycling. This is good. And it's a cool Poseidon here. Got a potion. Oh, there's a rhino here. I'm not sure what it is, but it looks like town.
But let's go inside.
Go look at the pool. So cool.
Hello, handsome boy. Thank you.
So they have here or Mafurang. What is that there? Some kind of sour fruit here, and it's chili here, tomato, lime, and then garlic, onion, and Coca-Cola.
Take order. What is the Italian restaurant outside?
Nice food here. Here. What is this? Brownies. Let's go to see yacht. It's right there. Can you see? There's Mustang and Benz, Mercedes. Really nice car.
Yeah, really dark here.
Yeah. Oh, it's Ford. Mustang. And there's another Mercedes. There. GLC 250. And there's my car. Okay, let's go to see yacht.
Be careful, car.
Looking for the cars. There. Mercedes. There's so much Mercedes here in Boat Lagoon. Full moon.
Yeah, full moon.
Guys, full moon.
Ooh.
This is the day. So here's my car, mom's car. This is the day. Okay, we're gonna go to Dean and DeLuca, and we're gonna go to see yacht.
Should have more light here, no?
Yes, pretty dark here. I can literally hear them singing. Huh? Oh. And there's a pizza restaurant there. The red restaurant.
So far, cannot see.
Yeah, too far. Come on. But Dean and DeLuca is closed. And that blue tower, the blue building, my dad stays there before. Before I came here and my mom.
Too dark here.
Yeah. You can't see that building.
No.
Oh, okay. What is that? Pontoon. Look, here's the yacht. Princess 64. Come on. Oh, guys. And there's a lighthouse there. Do you see? With the rainbow. Yeah, with the rainbow color lights.
Okay, so we
Let's go.
Let's go to the party.
Okay. What are they singing? Okay, so here's the pool. I think this might be the kids zone. 'Cause
Yes.
it's shallow. Shallow. What here?
Mushroom. Over there.
Where?
You see that?
Where? Where? I can't see mushroom.
Over there. You see it?
Oh, I thought you said it's like real mushroom vegetables. You not said big mushrooms.
Yeah.
So I think this is kids zone, or maybe it's deep. I don't see it. I can pass here. Okay, I'm gonna end this video now. Please, if you like, share, and subscribe. And especially press the bell beside the subscribe. And don't forget to leave the comment below if you want me to do anything. Yeah, goodbye. See you guys. Whoo, yeah.